y'all have a better idea, please let me know. And if it inspires you to clean your shoes out and put the remnants in a potato chip bag, then you have a regular stapler and you don't have a tiny attacher, it's okay. If you don't have any glue, you ran out of glue or whatever it is you're using, it's okay. Hey, I want to go over here. Somewhere over here. Actually, I don't know where is, so it's volcano or volcanic, I don't know, dirt, sand, particles. That looks like a little piece of glass right there. Huh. And that one, oh, that's shaped like a fish. Oh, cool. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me go a little closer. Anywho, my idea is to, of course, take it out of the potato chip bag and put it like on this sticker. This is like a bottle-shaped sticker. Oh, no, you're too close. And also, I have this one. And my idea, which I forgot about these larger rocks. Actually, I didn't even think about it. I was shoving it down in that bag, and at the time, it was all small particles that I didn't want to just throw on in their boat. But anyway, this is a sticker, and so my thought, I don't know if this will work. I'm scared. Okay, is to, I'm gonna make a mess here. Is to do it like this and then put it in the journal. And just, you know, that way I'm able to keep some of it. And I don't know why. I do sand like that too, but I never even thought about doing little pebbly rocks. Oh, that's a piece of glass right there. Let's see how to do this. If y'all have a better idea, please let me know. And if it inspires you to clean your shoes out and put the remnants in a potato chip bag, then you can steal my idea. Now, to keep it on there, my thought was to take this and just put it back. Somehow, glue it. I really didn't have an idea how this was going to work. But, so I'm going to have to somehow put a seam going around that. Sort of keeps it because, you know, you're in and out of the journal. And, but anyway, that is something that I thought was interesting. I wish I had grabbed more of these. I think it was just something I was sitting on, or it came off of something and I reached down and I grabbed it. Didn't put a whole lot of thought into it. So anyway, I do that with shells and things too, but these are a little chunky there. So what I have done, I bought a pack of these little bottles like this, and they are stickers. I'm trying to find it. They came with, I don't know, 5 different kinds, and I thought I could use them for something that's just totally flat like this, or like flowers, or now that I bought them before, I think before I went on this trip, but so I have the olive leaf. I'm gonna stick in there. I only have one, I can't mess it up. And since this was Rome, and this is from the Amalfi Coast, but it would not fit in the other one I'm about to show you. But what I did is, I think this will work because it's 3-dimensional. So, oh, yeah, the rock fell out. But I think I'm going to have to staple it because I don't know any adhesive that's going to hold these really thick things in. But it's a journal. It's a junk journal or, you know, documentation journal. So it's okay. So, oh no, I don't have any other kind of tool to hold that in. So it is going to go down flat and it's going to hold that stuff in. I love it. I don't hate it. I don't know why that, I bet that was something from my hand. Anyway, oh, I had to put some more in it. Looks like, let's see. The rate I'm going, it's gonna take me forever. Let's see. And so I made this one off camera because I didn't know how it'd turn out, but I put staples on from the tiny attacher that I have. That's a Tim Holtz tiny attacher going up, and then this is sticky up here, so it's really not gonna. And then this was just a little piece of the calendar that I've been cutting apart. And at the bottom of all the pages it says that's Florence. I don't know what that means, but that's Florence, and that's made in Italy. And so I took that, just put Sands of the Amalfi Coast 2023. And I had a stamp I could have used, but I just started writing. So this will go on a page, and this will go on a page. And those are going to be my handmade embellishments. And I think they're going to turn out really cute so far. So far. So I'm excited about those. So what I have done is I've just pulled out one of these sheets that I like the colors, I like all these colors. I just don't, I can't have everything. I need something that is solid, and I found, if I can do this right, found some great little travel 12 by 12. So I'm going to be, let's see, what am I doing? Gosh. Oh, I had that wrong. Okay. Put that on here. I'm just going to line that up and just cut off the excess because I didn't really measure it. I eyeball a lot of things. And actually, I probably could have scooted that and done a little better of a job, and then I wouldn't be, but I like using my long scissors. And I may sew some of this, so if I do, it's not going to come up. I might wait till a later date and do that. And I like these new cutters. And I should have waited and done the two at the same time, which it's not going to be perfect, but that's another reason why I'm doing these little show and tell and how-tos, is because it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to be a professional junk journaler or memory keeper. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's the beauty of it. There's no competition. And 100 years from now, not going to know the difference, but your kids, grandkids, great-grandkids are going to appreciate that you even try to put something together for them. And I do want to make sure that's a little bit more perfect. As I'm saying, it doesn't have to be perfect. But, so there we go. And I like using the little tacky glue, I think it is. I think it's just tacky glue. And I don't like using a lot. So, all right, I have my first one. So, that I've actually, and my pictures haven't come in yet, so I can't start putting my photos on here. But, you know, if I stick with some neutrals, like this, picture of us on the airplane, or make this a pocket, or a flip out, or a tuck. Let's see, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this, and probably need to get my other smaller cutter out, but so one thing I forgot to do, and I was very surprised I forgot, but we just didn't do it at the airport because you don't have to anymore, but I did not print my tickets out that I have any record of. Now, could I go back and do it? Maybe, but I did screenshot them on my phone, and I'll be able to print them out, and they don't have to be so large, but as much ephemera as I've collected and kept over the years, I am so surprised that I didn't do that. I know my husband was with me, and he was in charge, and I literally did not have to go through that line. You know, we had to do customs, and we had to do other lines, but anyway, so I don't have those unless I can get them and just tuck them in at another time. But oh, this is going to look so nice. And I could put some washi tape there. I've got some travel washi tape somewhere. I won't look for it right now. But you know what? Look, this right here, this reminds me of the Basilica in Florence. Everything was black and white striped, and I don't know if that was marble and another, you know, if it's black marble, white marble, I'm sure I could find it. But this right here in stripes, gorgeous. I'm definitely going to have some pictures in here of that. And I took plenty of footage on my phone. I came back with like 3,000 photos, and it was ridiculous. Probably not a lot to some of y'all, but yeah, not your average. I don't know, I might just sort of put that right there, and I don't know. You can always take it off if you don't like it. But I'll be putting a picture in there, taking a picture, and I could even, if I don't go all the way down, I could even put like a little note. Just pull it out like that somehow. I love these that look like stamps, and you can turn them around and actually stamp on them if you need to. So like airmail, that's what it reminds me of. But I don't want to cover up too much of the airplane. But okay, so let me get to work, and we will do another one. So if that's our first day, and then we went to one of the, what do they call them? Mont Casino. It's not a casino. It's an area. Not a gambling casino, but an abbey. And so I definitely want to put something. I love these colors, but I don't necessarily have to have Parmigiano Reggiano on there. And the good thing is I can flip it around and just use something else. Use another one of these, like this one if I wanted to, and just cover this up because I don't need the dates. These are not the dates that I went. This is a 2020 and that's not the dates that I went. So let me go and we'll see what I can find. Okay, I found another one. I don't know what this picture is about, but it looks a little witchy poo. And so I really like this. So pretty, it's from 2008. But anyway, so I'm going to definitely put this, and I love this green actually. Why is it? I don't know. When they made this calendar, they just used all these really vibrant, pretty pictures and colors. So I'd like to sort of keep the green. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna pull it out just a little bit. There, it just overlaps just a little bit, and you wipe that off and wipe it on your clothes. Push this down. And let's peek in there. See how that's gonna look. And we'll cut it off there. There's no reason to sit and measure all that. If the rate I'm going, if I don't just stay on some kind of track, it's gonna be forever. This is gonna take forever because there's only so much time I can work on it. And yeah. Okay. Now this is going to be tricky because I may have cut that off. I did. Yep. Oh, well, it really didn't matter. Let's see if y'all can see that. Just in case I want to do something with that. It keeps getting caught. Okay. And I can use that extra for embellishments. I think that is so pretty. Goodness gracious. I knew I kept some of these papers for a reason. I just, you know, if you're a crafter or if you have to do things for people or make up little gifts and all, and then, you know, you keep some of this stuff and just so you'll have it. I don't know why I don't double those and then do that. Okay. Oh, wow. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera. That is so pretty. I don't know why I find that just very attractive. The Abbey was very bright. There was lots of gold. I don't remember browns and golds, but I know it doesn't have to match, but you know, I don't want to take away. That's my main thing. If there was beauty in the places that I went in the pictures, I don't want to take away from that. So that's the main reason behind that. We flew into Naples. And I'll have that documented. And of course, that's home of the pizza. I guess that's where it was invented. So I definitely, of course, we had pizza the whole trip, just about it. They're shoving pizza down your throat. But so I definitely want either on my, see, we flew in, and then I can go ahead and start documenting that. And then, see, I don't have to worry about a calendar, because here it is on this side. So this is what I will cover up whenever I get to that side. So if I'm flipping it, and then we went, of course we went out to eat. Everything was centered around food, actually, that whole trip. Let's see. And then I think I would put this in there, and then this. And then the next day, we went to the Amalfi Coast, which will be a lot of, well, here's my business cards, but I would love to do something that doesn't clash with the water, because I have a lot of water shots, a lot of photos of water. So I don't want it blue, because I know it'll look green. It'll look just the opposite. So let me see what else I can come up with and put in there. Okay, so off camera, I went ahead and did this one. This paper is not very forgiving. Like when I pull it out like that, so I'm definitely gonna have to sew it, because it's already wanting to separate. I don't know what I did, because when I close it, it seems to be perfect. But if you remember these that I cut off the calendar, so Alhambra, I guess, is like ham. So we're gonna put the cold sliced meats on top of this. And it'll probably be covered up, because I have lots of pictures, but it's okay. It's okay. And could do something sort of tucky on there. That way it'll, I could take some pictures or stuff behind it, and a little bit of journaling. I don't know. But see how it didn't want to, I glued it, I guess, too. So let's see. So when we put, I'm gonna, like if I have when I get my pictures and I'm taking some pictures in, or I put a little something behind them, I could always do that. And then you won't see the calendar. I could just do that. And this means February, but see, whatever's going to be back here. Okay, so whatever's going to be back here, I'm going to have to, and this is so pretty, it's a velvet. So I might want to put some pictures of, definitely pictures of Florence on here, and back it. Look how beautiful this black. My goodness. And so I may just tack that down somehow. And where is my tiny attacher? I lost my tiny attacher. I'll just do that. And then, this is a good way to, if you don't have you have a regular stapler and you don't have a tiny attacher, it's okay. If you don't have any glue, you ran out of glue, or whatever it is you're using, it's okay. And if I decide that I want to put something else, I just slip it off. Like I said, there's no rule. There's no rules. You do what you want to do. And this gives information about, because this is everywhere, the little antipasta. If you order, they bring you potato chips. Well, I call them potato chips. They bring you chips and antipasta with your soda. They just do. Sort of like our Mexican restaurants might serve chips and dips, chips and salsa, or our like Texas Roadhouse might serve little buttered rolls, yeast rolls. Well, this came with almost everything that we ordered, was just a little, board of sliced meat. So that works out perfect. So instead of just talking about it, I will show you some pictures, and maybe I'll try to find some video. I can't remember what all I took. So I think with just all those cold sliced meats and what did they call? Oh, crisp. Look, on a serving dish and decorate with crisp, which are, you know, potato chips, and all the bread and sliced. I mean, it was just, you know, a lot of times just peanuts and potato chips, you know, with the Coke or drink that you didn't order. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed my short little video, and hopefully this inspires y'all to, you know, pick up some things around you and you know, be able to use them as embellishments in your journal. Thanks for joining me.